What's up, guys? You saw the last video. The last video was just sort of a teaser for this video. This video we will have 8 cars. They will be racing down there, down the middle lanes, down the 6th lane, and they will be doing a bowling competition. Here we go. We are gonna have 4 bigger cars and 4 like race cars / road cars. Here we go, on to the first race. Okay guys, before we do that, I'll introduce to you guys the cars. The Highway Hauler, the Jeep Gladiator, the Mercedes 6x6, which looks tiny compared to all these, but is massive in reality. Then there's the Land Rover Defender 90. And then we will have the Ford GT40, the Audi RS6 Avant, the Kia Stinger GT, and the McLaren F1 GTR. Here we go, on to the race. Let's see how many strikes they get. Okay guys, so I'm going to be racing these in no particular order. As you guys can see, we have the beautiful Mercedes G63 6x6. I'll be racing all of them from lane 4. If one of them doesn't fit in lane 4, I'll race them in lane 5. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bruh.
How is that even possible? 0 pins. Wow. Guys, when I first designed this, I didn't even think gutter balls were possible. But somehow, one of the biggest cars on this list, the 6x6, manages to prove me wrong on the first try. Wow. Take 2. Okay guys, so each of the cars will get 2 bowls, and here we go. Take 2. I'll try my lane 3 this time. Maybe it'll be different. See if you can actually get some pins this time. 3, 2, 1, go. Was that 1 pin? I think that was 1 pin. Okay, so we got 1 pin, which isn't very good for the 6x6, but the good news for me is that I don't need to take 10 minutes to set up the pins this time. Yay! Okay guys, so the Mercedes is the only one on the board right now with 1 pin. Okay guys, next up, this thing is massive. I hope it does good. Well, yeah, it shouldn't miss any pins at least. Let's see how it does. Well, seeing the 6x6, anything's possible. Here he goes, in 3, in 2, in 1, go. That's a lot of pins, but he's flipped sideways. Okay guys, so he's already guaranteed to have beaten the Mercedes because he got 4 pins, but he gets a second bowl. Okay guys, here we go. Bowl number 2 from lane 3 this time, in 3, 2, 1, go. Missed all the pins. Okay guys, so maybe there's going to be more gutter balls than I thought there would be today. I hope at least 1 car gets a strike though. Okay guys, next up we'll try one of the race cars, Ford GT40. This thing is going to be good. Here we go. Lane 4, in 3, 2, 1, go. I think those 2 pins might have been 1 though. He nailed that pin. Here we go. Not race number 2. Here we go. Bowl number 2. In 3, 2, 1, go. What? How was he on the left the whole time, then suddenly cut to the right and still miss all the pins? Wow. Okay guys, so the Ford GT gets to go with the AMG, or with the G-Wagon at 1. Here we go. We'll do another small car this time, see if they can redeem themselves. We have the Kia Stinger GT. This is a long one. Let's see how good he can do. In 3, 2, 1, go. Okay guys, so that was very crazy. I thought that the Kia Stinger GT was actually going to knock down all the pins, but that 1 pin that was actually in the middle of everything that got missed, that was very strange. But anyway, here we go. Bowl number 2 in 3, 2, 1, go. Nailed it. That was like the craziest Tokyo drift I've ever seen. Okay guys, so the Kia Stinger got a spare, so the Kia Stinger is currently in the lead. Okay guys, so I have one of the off-road cars now. It is the Jeep Gladiator. Here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1, go. That's 7, I believe. Okay, guys, so there is one rule. So I just made this up, but this is how we're going to settle the win. So the Kia Stinger got 9 on the first bowl and 1 on the second bowl. It's whoever gets the most on the first bowl if they both get spares. So if he gets a spare, then he is in second place. Here we go, lane 3 this time. 3, 2, 1, go. And he missed it just by him. Okay, guys, next car up is the Land Rover Defender 90. Put him in lane 4. Here we go, 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, I was expecting more pins, I'll be honest. Still has the chance to pick up a spare and go into third place. Here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. He has them all except for 1. So that is not very good for the Land Rover Defender, but he still goes third place, which is not bad. Okay, guys, so the second to last car is the Audi RS6 Avant. Let's see how he does. Okay, here he goes. 3, 2, 1, go. And that is 1 pick. Okay, guys, here we go. In 3, in 2, in 1, go. And I think that's 8 pins. Okay, guys, so that is 8 pins. Not bad, but he is still in third place. Okay, guys, here we go. The final car, the McLaren F1 GTR, has a chance. He needs a strike here if he wants to beat the Kia Stinger. Here he goes. 3, 2, 1, go. And oh, that is so close to being a strike. He came so close. That was a very good effort, but he got 8 pins. Anyways, guys, that is gonna be it for today's video. Your winner is the Kia Stinger GT. Anyways, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. Hope you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys think I should do more of these bowling tournaments. See you guys later. Bye.